Hi, my name is Natalie, and this is a video discussing 3 online resources relating to the trends and issues of implementing ICT in the primary mathematics classroom. This video will discuss 3 resources including a journal article, a web page, and a video, providing a brief overview of each of the resources, identify the technologies they focus on, and some of the key benefits and issues of using these technologies in the classroom. The first of my 3 resources is a journal article titled ICT, Learning in Primary Mathematics by John Ralston. According to Ralston, ICT has the capability to transform the way pupils understand and learn mathematics. When used with sensitivity and careful planning, it can act as a catalyst, contributing to a stimulating classroom climate which can bring mathematics alive. This article doesn't focus on the technologies used, but rather it discusses the overall use of ICT in the mathematics classroom. The article's main objective is for teachers to understand when the use of ICT would enhance the lesson and when other methods would be more beneficial. The article explains 4 main areas in which ICT is an appropriate tool to enhance children's learning. These are active participation, frequent feedback and interaction, opportunities for collaboration, and to provide authentic data for communications. The issues surrounding the use of ICT that were discussed in this article are teachers incorporating ICT incorrectly and relying on ICT to obtain the lesson's main objective. It is important for teachers to use ICT as an assistance tool to extend knowledge and promote engagement rather than relying on the technology to teach the student. The second resource to be discussed is the website Interactive Teaching Programs, known as ITP. ITP is maths programs which can be used on interactive whiteboards and computers. They provide an interactive, multi-sensory way of teaching key concepts in mathematics. This is the ITP website and includes a guide on how to use the programs, and down the left-hand side is all the different maths programs you can use. Today we are looking at the fractions ITP. This ITP allows you to divide a green strip into a number of equal parts and colour the individual parts in yellow by clicking on them. You can also label the strip to show it as a fraction, decimal, percentage, or ratio. These programs provide students with a visual tool of key maths concepts, making the learning more stimulating. They can be used on the interactive whiteboard as a whole class activity, as well as by the individual student to allow them to learn through their own discovery. The issue surrounding the use of this tool is that programs can take a while to upload, and some programs may not work properly once uploaded. Teachers also need to be aware of the issue the loss of power at any point will cause the technology not to work. Therefore, recommending that teachers know how to use the program and have it all set up before the lesson. It is also important to have a backup lesson that doesn't require the use of technology in case of a problem. The third resource is a YouTube video titled iPads in Local Maths Class Yields Staggering Results. This video is of a classroom of students where they use their iPads to watch their maths teacher's lessons at home, using their class time to do their homework, concentrating on using the knowledge learnt with their teachers. This demonstrates how the use of technology, in this case iPads, engages students learning through active participation and interaction. The main issue discussed in the video was the cost, pointing out to provide students with the iPads and the internet was costing the school 2 staffing positions. Other issues include the students not having access to the internet at home and technology failure where the student is unable to access the video prior to the lesson, and the fact that iPads are easily broken. The main benefits of incorporating ICT in the primary mathematics classroom is that ICT has the capability to transform the learning of mathematics, where the technology can act as a bridge between teaching and learning, providing students with stimulating learning opportunities through active participation, interaction, collaboration, and to provide students with authentic data to make learning more interesting. However, teachers need to know how to use the technology, as well as understand when and how to incorporate it to maximize the learning.
Created using Powtoon.